What is up, y'all? Today we're about to do a little something that has nothing to do with the Mustang or the burnt Mustang or the burnt hatchback. Anyways, yeah, so after, my Mustang barbecued, whatever, I needed a new car, so got a new car. Let me introduce you to this bitch.
Killer beats.
But yeah, we got this little 07 Trailblazer SS, and fucking love it, man. Today we're gonna be installing some lowering springs. This truck has already got the spring conversion because they come with airbags in the back. Apparently they were bad, and they all turn bad in these cars. And he converted to stock height springs in the back. But today I'm gonna be installing the lowering springs in the back, and hopefully the drop kit that goes in the front. First thing we got done with this truck when we bought it was this side had a nasty scratch on it. I'll probably put a picture on it. Throughout the front, all the way to the back. During the winter over here, there was like a little mound of fucking shit of dirt that somebody was plowing, and then they just made like a little mound of snow and dirt over there. So my parents came, and early in the morning I wanted to go just say goodbye because we we're going back to California. And I parked way too close to that little mound. I couldn't see from the windshield, which was like right here, and I ended up fucking up the bumper, man. That's why it's hanging right here. And literally, I got this bumper, this whole side, the rear bumper, fixed not even a month before this shit happened. So if anybody's got one of these bumpers, I need one, because I can't find one anywhere. But yeah, just wanted to add that. All right, y'all, so I got this one side done. I mean, this is dumb ass easy, man. Like, for real, like really, like all you need is the spring compressor. You need to go rent one at the local parts store, wherever, and then you just throw it in there. Like, you just need to actually, you guys don't, if you guys got the airbags, you guys don't need the spring compressor because I mean, you could just literally grab it and twist it off. I needed the spring compressor because, whoever did this, the conversion, the springs are pretty long, obviously for the stock height, and I needed it to compress the spring. But to throw the spring back on is easy as shit. Like, there's so much space right there. Like, you literally don't need anything except you gotta jack up the rear end from this side, well, wherever side you're working on, just so you can throw the strut back on. Once you throw the strut back on, that'll set it to the height of the spring, and the spring is now in place. It's in there. It's in the there's like a little lip on the top of the spring up there, and then one down there, and it'll catch on there, and you should be good after you tighten up your strut. But anyways, I'm done with this side. I'm about to go to the other side and just finish this shit up. All right, step one, throw these bitches in these bitches in here. Step 2, compress. Step 3, remove. Step 4, stop and do it again. So I don't have space to put this compressor, or should I say this compressor, on this side. This one was actually on this side, and I had to turn it all the way over to the other side. If you guys noticed right now when I said step 3, both of these compressors were like side to side, and it wasn't letting me pull it out. I had them side to side because I wasn't able to put one over here because the gas tank is in my way. Plus there's that thing right here, this fucking, I don't know what the fuck this is called, but it wasn't letting me put the compressor in because the stud or the thread I wasn't able to put it inside or out. I don't know, it was just a pain in the ass, but I managed to turn this around, take this one off, turn it around, and then place it on the opposite side, so now it's compressing evenly. So now we're on step 4. Alright, so now that I got this off, I got my lowering spring now right here. These rubber pieces that go on top and bottom, I just use some tape to hold it down. I'm not sure, there's no instructions on this on how exactly to throw them on, or what's the correct way. So I'm just gonna put it with the Beltec sign facing the correct way. After that, take your little bump stop thing off. Also on the other side, for the bump stop, or whatever the hell it's called, I trimmed off a little bit. And I'm talking about like a little bit. You can tell like this is like the original right there. That's the original. That's how it came like this. And I just trimmed off like a fucking hair, like literally just a hair, because it's a little too wide to throw it on here and cause it's breaking my balls. So just take this off, trim it a little bit, throw it on. I did the same thing to the other side, and it's holding on pretty good. So I'll be back right now. All right, this next part shouldn't need too much explanation. I mean, you grab your shock, you put it up here, throw it on there. Just put one bolt, put it in there. Don't tighten it up. Let it hang. And after that, my bad. I'm drinking a little beer right now. After that, you just grab your coil, throw it on. Hold on, my bad. Put it on the wrong way. Do my best. Do my best. Throw it up there. Give me a minute, cause hold on. Here, I'm gonna have to put my phone down real quick. Give me a minute. But you guys get the idea. Put it up there first. Make sure it's on that little lip. Then you throw it on this lip. You should be golden from there. Like literally, from all you do from there is, after you have your strut hanging right there, you lift it up. You lift up the axle from under here. Maybe from, I don't know, any space from down here should do. Yeah, I mean, wherever you can throw your jack on, and start jacking it up, just so your holes down here can align on your strut. After you do that, you're obviously gonna have your spring on. Your spring's gonna be compressed, And that's literally everything. After you do that, just throw your fucking wheel back on and you're completely done. So give me a minute, I'll be back in one memento. All right, tight. Got the little bump thing on. Here you go. It's on the coil. Lip it coils around the lip on both sides. Now I just put the wheel on and we're literally done. And just like that, we are done. Now let's peep game. See what this shit, how this shit looks. Hold on. Whoop. Damn, that's a big drop. Oh, that shit look wet. That shit look wet. Alright, so brought the truck for a little drive, just so the struts can settle in a little bit. And looks like, I mean, it's lightweight the same. I'm not gonna lie, but I mean, for sure, it looks better. Tomorrow we're gonna drop the front because I mean, I really don't got time today. I mean, it seems like there's plenty of sun, but I don't want to speed shit up. I kind of see the truck kind of leaning back a little bit, so for sure gonna need the front. All right, so that is it. This is for the rear drop kit. Tomorrow we're gonna do the front. And yeah, stay tuned for that next video. I'm gonna try to see if I can get this this video uploaded today, because I be lagging and then I get tired of this shit and I don't want to upload the videos no more. So because I be having the video, I be recording and I just have the video stored. I literally had probably like five different like episodes recorded. And then at the end of this was last summer. So last summer I recorded a bunch of shit that I did to the Mustang, and I was just like, whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna try to have some more content coming. I got more stuff coming for the Mustang. I got a standalone ECU that I'm waiting on, and there's a little bit more work on this truck that I'm gonna do, not really like performance wise, but we're just trying to have it like lightweight ready for LS Fest in Vegas. So this is why I'm doing this lowering thing. So yeah, hopefully I'll see y'all in Vegas March 24th. All right, so late.